just on your site, and I'm updating WordPress for you, and you'll need to put in these details here, and I'll send you those in the email. So I'm just going to update. I've just added the SEO plugin, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to configure that to help your on-page optimization. I'll just pause while the updates go ahead. Right, that update is finished. So if you go down, if we go down to maintenance mode here and click it, you can turn it off there. And you just go to the bottom and save changes. Great, and then the site will be live. So if we went to pages, and we went to speech and drama classes, and if we go down to the bottom here, this is where the SEO work is done, and you have to choose one focus keyword only. So what you do is you start typing, and it'll start making suggestions. So speech and drama class, we can go with classes, speech and drama classes. That's great, and we'll go with that. And then it what we do is update. So you're trying to choose one keyword that someone might put in Google to look for your site, and it's meant to be one keyword phrase optimized for each page. So and then it gives us some clues here. So it already says it's good for that, but we can try and make it great. So it's not on the page URL, which is here. So we could edit this. And hopefully this won't stuff up if you've done some advertising. What I'll do is, it's not been live, so it should be fine. Sometimes if you change the links, it can break other things that link to it. So we just have to check that the speech and drama, if you linked from here, that this will probably break the link. So if I've updated this and view the page, I think WordPress has automatically created a redirect for you. Yeah, so I'm just going to go into the widgets. Normally you don't edit the URL I have there, but which box was it? Is it like the third one? Okay, so I'm just going to change that URL so it doesn't break. Okay, so we've made that change, and then the meta description here is this, as you can imagine, is what shows in Google. So you want to write something catchy down here that'll catch people's attention. So okay, so I'm just going to take that wording and put it there. And it's 53 long. And then I might just put something shorter here, like still 8. Speech and drama classes develop skills in a fun, playful way. Now I'm under the requirement, and it's also got the keyword in here, so that's great. So then you can click to this. Usually when all of this goes green, the SEO goes green, but it's not. So I'm having a look at the... It has a 300 word minimum usually. So, so I'm going to do a couple of tweaks on this to get... I'm going to make this an H2 tag, for instance. Although I don't know if you need it. I'm just going to tweak this page a little to get it green, and you can play with your pages to see if you can optimize them. And when I added a little image to the bottom, I'll just show you how you do. I added an image here, and if I clicked on it, under alternative text, I described, the alternative text is for accessibility, you know, for people using screen readers, but of course Google reads them as well. So I put in the keywords there, and just added that image, and now it's gone green. So that would mean that this page is well optimized for speech and drama classes. And so if you go through the rest of your pages and try and do your key business stuff, so you'd want to do optimize for holiday programs and wedding speech coaching, definitely for that. Put in, and you might find you need to add just another paragraph under contact us, some more stuff or something to get it up to 300 words, and then get those some of those little lights going green, and that will help your site be found with Google. I don't think it's not connected up yet with Google Analytics and Webmaster Tools. If you let me know if you want me to spend a couple of hours doing that for you, that would be well worth. If you're finding that the site is being spread by word of mouth and you don't need to do lots of SEO work, you know, it's not about being found on Google, then that's fine. But for some businesses, it's quite important to get connected with Google and get those pages optimized so that when people are putting those phrases into Google, your site's coming up, and I have a separate package for that. Thanks.